Hey everyone, I'm Riley with 8 Ounce Coffee, and today we're going to be doing a demonstration on the LUCCA X58 espresso machine. This machine is actually made from quick mill. It's handmade in Italy and it was made for Clive Coffee. A few really important key features with this. One, the E61 group head, which it shares with its older sibling, the M58. This is built to ensure really even water distribution and pressure as well. It comes with two different portafilters. The one you see here is the bottomless portafilter, but it also comes with a dual spouted one if you'd like to split your shots. The LUCCA X58 features a heat exchanger style boiler, which allows you to make drinks quite quickly. You could do a 12-ounce latte in as little as 2 minutes on here. It has a no-burn steam wand feature, which is actually quite rare in this price range of espresso machines. When you are steaming, both before and after, this stays cool to the touch, so you won't get burnt. It has a built-in PID, so you can check your boiler temperature, which also doubles in function as a shot timer. This also comes with a removable, BPA-free 2.5 liter water reservoir, so this ensures you can make a few cups of coffee before you have to fill that up again. LUCCA X58 comes with a compact design. The X58 model that you see here is the polished stainless steel version. It also comes with a black wrapping available, or if you'd like to customize your color for a more personalized option, that is available as well. With all of that being said, all of the characteristics of the X58 makes for an excellent entry prosumer espresso machine, perfect for any home brewing needs for an elevated experience. With all that being said, let's brew a coffee on here. Today we're going to demo the X58 alongside our LUCCA Atom grinder as well. I'm going to aim for a 2-to-1 extraction recipe. We're going to do 19 grams in for our espresso and aim for about 38 out. LUCCA also offers a really great convenient distribution tool with its own little stand, which I'll be using here today as well. Also using the super good tamper that comes with our Pro Kit. On the X58, we want to do one purge prior to our extraction, just to make sure we have hot water coming through first thing. And let's get our shot pulling. The built-in PID, like we said in our overview, also functions as a shot timer, which is measuring currently. There's our 2-to-1 ratio, and a really nice crema coming through on the X58. I'm gonna purge some of those old coffee grounds off the group head, and now it's time to steam some milk. I don't have any milk. Now that we have some milk, let's make ourselves a little cappuccino. We want to make sure we purge first. That's just getting rid of any of the condensed water inside. Don't have to worry about touching the steam wand because of the insulation, stays cool to the touch. I'm gonna lift up and start steaming. The heat exchanger boiler offers really great steam pressure, so I'm still able to get really dense microfoam. Wipe off any excess milk just so we don't get any burning on our steam wand. And there we are, some really glossy texture to our foam. Perfect for latte art. And there's a coffee. Well, thanks for joining us. We're making a coffee and doing a demonstration on the LUCCA X58. This espresso machine is available at 8 Ounce Coffee, which you can find in the link below or on our website. We also have a video featuring the bigger sibling, the M58, if that's something you're interested in, which you can also find below. If you have any ideas for future products, future projects, whether it's a product review or other coffee-related content, please leave your ideas below in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe for any future videos and also on our Instagram. Thanks for joining us.